I'm testing the 7-seater Hyundai Santa Fe, and these are my top 6 family-friendly baby drive features. Number 1 is the Santa Fe has remote start on the key fob, as well as being able to park itself. So I can reverse it out of a parking space and then load my kids in and then drive it back in. It's really handy for supermarket car parks and things like that, where maybe there's not enough room beside you to get kids in and out. Number 2 is there's aircon vents in all 3 rows of the Santa Fe, and you can control them from the front. Number 3 is I can just walk up to the boot of the Santa Fe with the key on my person, and the boot will automatically open, which is fantastic when you come to the car with your arms full of your children or their things. Also, I can walk up to the door of the Santa Fe and just press on this button here and it will unlock the doors, and the same when I walk away. Number 4 is the media system in the Santa Fe. It's got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as Sounds of Nature, which is great white noise at your fingertips. Really helps to get babies to sleep. You've also got Passenger Talk, which amplifies your voice through to the 3rd row, so you don't have to shout to be heard. We also found this good for in-car karaoke. And quiet mode, this is good for lowering the volume in the back and bringing the speaker focus to the front. So if you've got kids on devices or asleep in the back, then it's helpful for that too. Number 5 are the cameras. There's a rear view camera that you can put on while you're driving along, so you've got a great view out of the back. And also when you indicate, camera views come up in the screen in front of your steering wheel, so you can see down the side of the car when you're changing lanes. Number 6 is there's window blinds on the 2nd row windows, which is fantastic for keeping little passengers shaded from the sun. There's also a child lock button in the driver door control panel, which keeps these rear doors and windows locked while you're driving. I've really enjoyed driving the Santa Fe with my family this week. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.